Tagalog. Ang unang makakatapos sa dalawang battles ay mananalo ng Starbucks package! Okay. Okay, forward, please. Hirap. Okay, you have to wear this. Ayan. And then picture. Where's the picture? Ayan. Oh, ang kikit nila, no? Sino kaya magiging kamukha? Dito na lang, sa here.
Ito, yan.
Ay! No. Okay, may nagpapatanong dun sa kabila. Someone asking in there, are you single?
No.
No.
Married?
Not yet.
Yes, okay. Sino ang maswerte?
Nasa kamay.
Yeah! Nice one! Okay. Okay. Picture first with the couple. With the mommy and daddy, please. Ayan, picture po. Kasama ka, B. Ayan. Center kayo.
Center, ano ko pas kayo naman yan?
Sunod na games ha. Wala nang mag-English ha. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Say cheese. Ayan, okay. Are you guys ready? Sorry. Ready na ba kayo? Okay, come and get the 2 bottles first. Okay, when I said 1, 2, 3, go, and then you will drink it. One by one ba, Mami Ara, or?
One by one.
One by one, okay? One at a time. Okay.